The
DLV, Deutscher Landwirtschaftsverlag, is the leading media company active in the agricultural sector. We publish over 35 print and online titles in the field of agriculture, forestry, hunting and country life.
We have branches at 17 different locations in Germany, the three largest being Munich, Hanover and Berlin respectively.
Our titles are designed, marketed and brought alive by our staff of roughly 400 employees in Germany.
The most important magazines for us are, without a doubt, the 200-year-old Bayerische Landwirtschaftliche Wochenblatt. We still have Land and Forst in Lower Saxony, with a history spanning 162 years. And the DLZ, which is a leading monthly magazine covering all aspects of agricultural machinery and farming. Moreover, we have a bi-weekly magazine called Pirsch on hunting, and Kraut und Rüben, covering all things green.
Our search for and ultimate implementation of a new system was triggered by a single basic requirement. Our very heterogeneous and decentralized structure needed a data management system that could be centrally managed and easily accessed.
What we needed was to bring together our various sites and the completely different workflows that existed before the introduction of Censhare, and thus create a system that would allow us to access all content generated internally from any location and using any conceivable type of media. I work like this with Jagd, for example. We have 5 Jagd objects produced at 3 different locations. At each of the sites we have editors, but the central production and central layout is based in Munich. Likewise, the central production plan is based here in Munich, which means that the Berlin editors can access assets that are located here. Layouts can be made in Hanover, which later appear in Berlin. As you can see, we're now fully independent of location. We can produce printed products and online products independently of the respective editorial departments. And this would simply not have been possible without Censhare or a system like Censhare.
To cite the most obvious example of where processes are streamlined, take a look at the ads area, where we have achieved a fully integrated solution, with Censhare teaming up with the accounting system and the page makeup system. The orders for ads reach Censhare in real time, where the continuous text ads are also immediately produced and are printable for the page makeup system. The ads that are positioned are then automatically sent back as reports to Censhare and onto the accounting system, where the final price calculation can take place, also fully automated, and the respective vouchers can be retrieved, which means that the exact placement is reported back. In this way, we have streamlined the entire process and relieved the advertising department of a great deal of administrative work. The capacity freed up can naturally be put to much better use in the advertisement sales area. In this way, we have achieved significant and tangible efficiency gains.
The main advantage is that the editors can work together on a magazine regardless of where they are located. For example, the forestry magazines have 1 editor in Berlin, 3 in Stuttgart, and myself here. All participants can follow the creation process of the magazine by means of the page design. All employees involved in the magazine can work at the same time. That is, the editorial staff produce the texts and attach the associated images. Image processing, which is performed externally, is carried out simultaneously, while another person handles the layout work. In the meantime, ads that are booked using our ad system from the Müller-Pranger Publishing Manager are automatically placed in the corresponding issue of the printed medium and can be arranged among the pages by the managing editor. In the case of larger objects, there would be a lot of continuous text and small advertisements with automatic wrapping, and these ad pages are then placed in the magazine by the managing editor.
The DLV will continue to rank as the leading media company in the area of agriculture and forestry. We intend to hold the position of overall market leader in 4 segments: printed products, online texts, mobile texts, events and services for our customers, and in the reader advertisement market. Alongside the sales system and advertising system, this is our central system. The reason for this being that we will only be in a position to cost-effectively benefit from all media channels with our existing editors if we harness a system like Censhare. We are under no illusion that Censhare will automatically give us a leading position on the internet and mobile market, as someone always has to generate the added value. This is the reason we're so proud of our editors. But without a system like Censhare, it would simply not be possible.